The owner of the conference should definitely allocate a budget, not just for the event, but for the post-event, because you need to spend some money for what we are calling the maintenance of the event.
Yes.
You need to keep it alive, which means you need to definitely have a 365 days alive app, because the app will help you to maintain the dialogue between participants after the event. You need to fuel the app with content. For example, at the Future Investment Initiative Forum, we conducted more or less 100 interviews of people who were attending. And this is what TED is doing very well. The TED conference is maintaining the dialogue, the conversation, the relationship with their members, their participants all year long by maintaining a virtual dialogue, by releasing these videos. And this is what we are doing also. So it's only, and then when on the top of that, after an event, you creating 2 or 3 initiatives or launching 2 or 3 initiatives, the initiatives are also an amazing opportunity to maintain the conversation with your different participants. I'm a strong believer on physical event, face-to-face conversation, but I'm not ignoring at all the impact of social media and the impact of technology. The marriage of these two things will help us to keep the conversation alive. So this is very important.